आयज मिटींग आपयली ती वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग. आमची पळय 15 तारखेक स्पेशल ग्राम सभा जाली रिगार्डिंग द आउटब्रेक. एक केस जाले त्यो जावं आमचे कॉलेरा रिलेटेड लूज मोशन, वॉमिटिंग, डायरिया आनी जेन्ना आमी थोडे कंडिशन घातलेली आनी दे आर इन प्लेस. बट आतां चोडे कितें जालां आतां कालच्या रिपोर्टा प्रमाणे आनी थोडे बोटीचेरय आमकां लोकांक हेका इन्फेक्ट जाले आनी चड जाण आनी सीक जाले. So आमी डिसिजन घेतलेले there is no decrease in the cases, but that's why today this morning I met the deputy collector, okay, and I also met the health doctor Chichini, and I took all the updates. And this already update घेवन आयज आमगेले 5 member emergency meeting मागली. Village development committee members, biodiversity members, village forum members, disaster management committee members, and general public emergency meeting magli, and to find a solution for this. So finally we have decided that आमी जे पड जाता ते increase जालना increase जायना जाल्यार we will write to the collector under disaster management act to take action and to stop all activities in the area related to all these cases and fishing पड कित चलता आनी ह्यो cases labor आहाय तिंगा तेन action घेवपाचे to stop all the activities because things are not getting better. And most important कितें आज आमगे थोडे tourism stakeholder आसले आमगेलो लोक tourismaची जी येता सगळे आमी tourism including myself, so it is a big worry just because of some negligence. आमी आखी आमगे विलेजीचे livelihood जे आमचे stakeholder आहाय तांकां कित्याक त्रास करप. सद्याक जायते बुकींग कॅन्सल जाले, जायते एडवायजरी येयलो आहाय आनी जायते आमकां एक येयलो कन्सर्न येयलो इज इट सेफ टू कम टू काबिलोसी. सो हे आमकां पुतून येवपा नाका. ताका लागून वी हॅव टेकन अ डिसिजन विथ ऑल कलेक्टिव्ह डिसिजन टू रायट टू द कलेक्टर एंड अंडर डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट एक्ट टू एक्ट कर. दिस हॅज टू बी स्टॉप, हॅज टू कम टू झिरो.
मिटींग
आता जालें कितें आमचे काबिलोसी गांवांत सदांच पेपराचेर येता की कोरोना जाला, कोलेरा जाला, हे जाला, पूण आमकां जालें कितें हांव फाटीं 2-3 मिटींग घेतलेल्यो पंचायतान इन्स्पेक्शन घेतली 2-4 कितें इन्स्पेक्शन आमचो MLA घेतले, देन MP येयलो, पूण कांय चड एक्शन जावं ना. आनी तेका लागून आयज पेपर गेल्यार परतून केसी वाडल्या म्हणून. Now what happens is it is adversely affecting our tourism activity. आता very soon आमचे tourism season start जावचें काबिलोसी गांवांत. All the news it is not stopped. It is going to affect our tourism industry very badly because Kabilosi village depends entirely on tourism right now. Fishing activity was traditional, it is being traditional, but it is not as a commercial basis. आता दुसऱ्याक लागून for other business sport activities, fishing activities लागून आमी काबिलोसी लोकांक सफर जावपाचे. ताका लागून सरपंचान आनी आमी VDC मेंबर आनी आमचे biodiversity, disaster management, meeting magli, so that we have come to a conclusion, so that we at least do not suffer our tourism industry, because we are depending on shacks and tourist guests that are coming to the village. And if stop putting on it is going to affect us very, very badly. So we have taken a decision today to ask the panchayat to write to the collector and the other authorities to stop activities until such time that this tourism,
cases,
these activities that is affecting our tourism have to be stopped immediately. And so we request all the authorities to take a notice of our meeting today and take necessary action against our wishes, against our demands that we have put up to Sarpanch today. Thank you.
तुझं नाव कितें?
माझे नाम बोवितुर आवाज. I am the VDC convener.